Before we get into it, the standard reminder. I am not a practicing attorney and nothing in this video is legal advice. If you need legal guidance, please speak to a qualified professional in your jurisdiction. January 30th, 2022, somewhere in America, a man went to a strip club, and that decision is about to cost two people their entire evening, one of them a window, and the other one their freedom until noon. We are going to talk about what the law actually does with the phrase, but he cheated. Spoiler, not much.
All I know so far is they're arguing. He's saying that she beat on him, but he's got no marks on her.
Who is she?
I guess the wife.
Okay.
I haven't gone upstairs yet. Sir, is she your wife?
No.
Who is she?
My girlfriend.
Girlfriend. All right.
He's been explaining to him what's been going on. I've been asleep for 2 hours. He's been explaining.
I don't really fucking know.
Well, I mean, you were the one involved. Explain it to us.
No, I'm the victim.
He was asleep.
Okay.
And she came home. They're staying in that room.
Okay.
He, because I knew she was pissed off, went into that room. She found out he was in that room, went around the side of the house and started throwing a bunch of shit through the windows and then crawled through the window. And he came through that door.
Yeah.
And was just keeping her out of getting in here.
Quit laughing. I'm embarrassed.
I know, but I'm just saying.
It all started over.
So you asked him that you asked him to have explain this to us, and he is. So let him finish.
No,
real quick.
all that happened was it was just kind of back and forth until she kind of just stopped. And then in the interim, while all this is occurring, she's just throwing his shit into the street.
How'd the window get broken?
She threw something through the window. I don't know.
And she crawled through it. I already blocked the deal. This started over squirt guns.
Whose house is this?
This is
rented it.
It's a rental.
Like the whole house?
It's normally a hotel, but we rented all the rooms.
Okay. So you guys are the only ones here?
How long have you guys been dating, man?
Okay.
2 years.
2 years. You guys live together?
Yes.
Did she, when she was throwing things at you and all of that, like, did she get physical with you at all? You point to your eye.
I mean, I can take a punch.
So are you saying she punched you? I'm just trying to figure out what I'm dealing with.
She hit me a lot.
Okay, let me see your face.
Oh, my face is fine.
No, I want to see your face. Thank you.
This is not the first time, guys.
Did you see her hit him at all?
I wasn't here for that. Okay. I don't really know if it happened or not.
She's hit me numerous times.
Was it a punch or a slap or what was it?
No, she just gets violent and I won't deal with it, so I lock myself in another room because when she started breaking out windows and throwing shit, I run from her.
And are you related to them at all?
No, just friends.
I've taken a beating from her 4 or 5 times.
And where is she upstairs? In this room? How do we get up there?
You won't go there.
Just hang tight. I mean, honestly, based on this and all this stuff, I want to put it past her, but we'll talk to her and see what she has to say.
There's a broken window over here.
Yeah. Take a picture of that, Dylan?
Yep. Take a picture from the door too, just so you got a perspective of.
Say don't go into the fucking rooms. I'll show you the one she's in. Bunch of people who are sleeping all through.
Which
Is there anybody else here?
Tori, it's a QS police.
Hey,
Can you talk? Hi, can you step out and talk to us?
Yes.
do you wanna? So did anything happen?
He's just an asshole.
Okay, well, what happened?
Well, he went to a strip club and like was trying to cheat on me, and I caught him, so I got mad at him.
Okay, well, what happened when you got mad at him?
I threw everything out the window.
Okay.
If you're gonna hide in a room downstairs and you can't sleep with me, then you know you're guilty. So, yeah.
Okay.
I'm just pissed. He didn't touch me, do anything, but he tried to cheat on me. I'll lose my shit. Caught him in the act, so that's it.
Okay, did you touch him at all?
Yeah, I did slap him.
You did?
Across the face, yeah.
Okay.
All right, 10:15.
Yep.
I'll put you in the back.
How long am I gonna be in jail?
Probably until noon.
Really?
Yeah. Do you need some shoes?
Y'all are gonna arrest me?
We have to. It's domestic. Do you have shoes that you want?
No, I'm not gonna f***ing relax. Because you're
Stop.
gonna f***ing take me to jail, really? Because you're gonna cheat on me?
Yeah.
You've been asleep.
I'll go to jail.
No. I'm going to jail. So f*** you.
Do you have a jacket in here you want?
You know what? Whatever y'all want to f***ing do. 'Cause this is ridiculous.
If you want a jacket, tell me.
If a dude's gonna f***ing try to cheat on me and it's my f***ing fault,
Do you want a jacket or not?
no, I don't want a f***ing jacket. I'll walk down the street naked.
Just stand by for a second.
Stop pulling
Ma'am,
away.
don't pull away from me. I'm trying to
No, I'm ready to f***ing go
double
and
lock
slap
these
the shit
cuffs so
over
that they
it.
don't.
Ma'am, please calm down.
No, I don't want to f***ing calm down.
I did not.
There wasn't a request. You need to chill out right now. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
All right, come on.
Let's go.
This is not the first time he said that, almost to himself, like he was not even sure he meant to say it out loud. 4 words dropped into a conversation about a broken window and his belongings in the street. And I need you to understand what those 4 words actually mean legally and humanly before this case goes any further. They mean tonight was not an anomaly. They mean he has a system. Lock the door, wait it out, do not escalate, because he has learned from experience that engaging makes it worse. That is not a man who lost his temper. That is a man who has been managing someone else's temper for long enough to have developed strategies for surviving it. The officer heard it, filed it quietly, kept moving. And that is the right call, because pushing a reluctant domestic violence victim harder than they are ready for produces silence, not disclosure. But that line sits in the report, and it matters. Now, Tori's interview, she confesses completely, voluntarily, without being asked directly. She threw his things out the window. Yes. She slapped him across the face. Yes. And then she explains why. And I want you to really hear the legal logic she is operating on, because it is genuinely fascinating in how completely it misunderstands how any of this works. Her position is that because he tried to cheat, the slap and the broken window cancel out. Like it is a maths problem. His wrongdoing on one side, her response on the other, and they balance to 0. Here is what the law says about that. Nothing. The law says nothing about that, because provocation is not a defense to battery. It may be a conversation at sentencing. It is not a get out of jail free card at the point of arrest. The officer does not have a box on his form that says extenuating romantic circumstances. He has a box that says, did she hit him? She said yes. Box ticked. Case made. She built the entire prosecution herself in about 45 seconds. The officer barely had to speak.
Slow down, ma'am. Don't want you to fall.
You won't fall. Baby.
No.
Baby.
We're going to the car.
Baby.
Stop. Do not pull away from me. Ma'am, do not pull away from me. Ma'am.
All right, cover her up. Come on.
Stand up.
Stop pulling away from us. You hear me? Come on, walk. Cover her up, Dylan. Come on.
It's high in the front.
No, turn around.
This is a reflection
That's
of y'all,
not
not me.
Well, I asked you if you wanted
This way.
a jacket. Come on.
Y'all are fucking assholes.
Come on, walk.
Fucking assholes.
Hal, see if we could get her a jacket. Well, I want her to have a
I
jacket.
want this to happen. I want this to happen because he's a fucking cheater. It's my fault.
Cover yourself. Come on.
It's gonna cover you up, alright?
God.
Not yet. May I move this way for just a second?
No.
I gotta get the seatbelt. I have to seatbelt you.
A man that says he loves me, he's gonna be put me in jail because he's a cheater. Y'all are all fucking pigs.
I didn't expect that it was gonna fall off. No.
He's letting me go to jail.
All right, Mr. Casey. Do we know where her identification is? Possibly upstairs?
Did you ask her?
No, she's not talking to us. So the way it works is we're going to list in the report that the window was broken during an altercation.
There was no altercation.
Well, I mean, it's for all intents and purposes, just for the definition of what transpired, sir. I understand that you
There
didn't
was
fight
no
back.
altercation. I locked the door and went to sleep.
Anyways, so
Terry, we need to find my dog kid. I got $5,000 and that shit threw all my shit out.
So what we're gonna do is go get your stuff. I'll stay with you because I got a bunch of flashlights. We'll make sure you got everything. She has her cell phone if you want to go get her out in the morning. She's got first appearance. She'll meet with the judge.
What time's first appearance? 9?
It depends, honestly.
She said no to the jacket twice. On record, the officer asked, she declined. Her choice, her consequence. Now she is outside, cold, in handcuffs, and the officer is scrambling to find her a jacket anyway. Because he asked, she said no, and he still does not want her to be uncomfortable. She calls him a pig 30 seconds later, and he is still trying to get her a jacket. I do not know what that officer is getting paid, but it is not enough. The line she keeps coming back to is, he is letting her go to jail. And I want to address that directly because it is the emotional engine of her entire argument, and it is pointed in completely the wrong direction. He is not letting her go to jail. She is going to jail because she broke a window, threw a man's belongings into the street, slapped him across the face, and then described all three of those things out loud to a uniformed officer who was standing right there with a body camera running. That is not being let anywhere. That is a series of choices and their outcomes arriving in the correct order. The boyfriend's conversation at the end of this clip is the quiet devastation of the whole case. He is not angry. He is not vindicated. He is just tired. He asks about his money. He asks about her court appearance. He absorbs the information, and he goes to collect his things in the dark with a flashlight. That is a man who has been here before, not at this exact address, but here, Tori was charged with damage to property, resisting arrest, and battery. She was held until her first appearance before a judge the following morning. The boyfriend did not face charges. This case is going to split the audience, and that split is worth being honest about. A lot of people watching feel that what he did at that strip club matters, and they are not wrong that it matters. It matters to the relationship, to the trust, to whatever comes next for those two people. It just does not matter to whether battery occurred. Those are two separate conversations that the legal system handles in two separate rooms. Her anger was human. Her actions were criminal. Both of those things are true at the same time, and the law does not ask you to pick one. If you are in a relationship where physical violence has occurred, support is available regardless of gender. The National Domestic Violence Hotline operates around the clock at 1-800-799-7233. It is free and confidential. Nothing in this video is legal advice. I am not a practicing attorney. Qualified legal guidance requires a qualified lawyer. See you on the next one.